Being a vegetarian is quite hard in the city. We have very less options and the options gets boring sometimes. But not in Phoenix Market City. Phoenix Market City not only hosts standalone vegetarian restaurants, but they also have multi-cuisine restaurants serving amazing vegetarian food. And that's what we are here for today. I'm going to take you through 3 amazing restaurants and showing you the best that they have to offer. So we are here at Nando's. Nando's, as you know, is quite famous for their meat and their grilled chicken. But little did you know that they have amazing vegetarian options as well. Ooh, I also heard that they have a new burger launch. Come, let's find out. So Nando's is a restaurant which is famous for their South American cuisine. From their peri-peri grilled chicken to exquisite meats, they have it all. But I just realized that they have a separate vegetarian menu card and they serve amazing vegetarian dishes as well. So first up, we have this mocktail called the Refreshment. So let's just see how it tastes. Okay, so it has lime, it has mint, and it's absolutely refreshing. And for the summer, you absolutely need this. So it's a good start. Let's see what they have rolled around. Vegetarian.
Okay, there's a lot of food in here, but I know I'm gonna completely enjoy this. So the first thing we have over here is my absolute favorite from Nando's. It's the hummus and pita with peri-peri drizzle, and I usually just empty the whole thing over here and enjoy it. And as you can see, I've already started having it. And this dish right here is so new. It just launched very recently. It's the mushroom and paneer burger. As you can see, one speciality about this is that there's no patty. It's all paneer. And of course, extra long french fries. I mean, come on. And this is the Super Bowl salad, also the quinoa salad. So for those diet conscious people, you can always go for this. It has avocados, it has cucumbers, it has paneer and all the nice things. So this majestic beauty over here is called the veg empada. It has corn, it has paneer and everything beauty. I can't wait to dig in, so let's just.
So much food right now in front of me and I can't wait to dig in. But before that, let me just tell you what all they gave me. And of course, these are my absolute favorites. So the first thing is called the Meeta Patta, which is a pan mojito. So they have this cute betel leaf over here and let's just taste and see how it is. Dal Punjab grill is out of the world. It's so buttery, so creamy and it tastes delicious. And the garlic naan, I must give it to you guys. Garlic naan tastes so good. It's not the garlic is not overpowering and it still tastes delicious. If you want to know how paneer cuts like butter, you have to come to Punjab Grill. I mean, this particular dish which is called the paneer lavabdar, it cuts like butter and it's so creamy and so delicious and it goes perfect with the garlic naan. You have to try it. That was quite a heavy meal indeed, but I absolutely enjoyed the experience. Now I know why Punjab Grill is the king of Punjab food in Chennai. And also, they do have a veg buffet for just 595 rupees from Monday to Friday. So you can have unlimited Punjabi food at just 595. What's better than that? Last but not the least, I'm in my favorite restaurant in the whole of Phoenix Market City. You guessed it right, it's ID. So I have dosa, vada, kesari and filter coffee with me. And just like ID, these needs no introduction. So I'm going to dig in right away. And oh, if you want to have the same experience as me, all you have to do is like this video, share and comment below saying what's your favorite restaurant out of the 3 visited today. And 5 lucky winners stand a chance to get gift vouchers from Phoenix Market City. Coming to the point of this video, now you know where vegetarians like you and me can have amazing vegetarian food in Phoenix Market City. You have Nando's, you have Punjab Grill and you have ID. So what are you waiting for? Come over to Phoenix Market City right now. So, bye-bye.